If your computer is experiencing slow shutdowns, there could be several reasons for this issue. Here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Firstly, make sure that you have closed all applications properly before attempting to shut down your computer. Sometimes background processes or open applications can prevent the system from shutting down quickly. Secondly, please ensure that your system is free from any malicious software or malware. Just click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then type Virus and Threat Protection in the search bar and select the Virus and Threat Protection option that appears. In the Virus and Threat Protection option, locate for the Scan options and click it. In the Scan options, select Full Scan. Then click on Scan Now to start scanning your computer for viruses. This process might take some time, so be patient. Next, make sure that your software is completely up to date, since outdated software can occasionally cause slowdowns in the shutdown process. Here's how it's done. Click on the Windows icon and go to Settings. Select Update and Security, and then click on Windows Update. Check for updates and install any available updates for your operating system. Our next step involves performing a disk cleanup. Over time, unneeded files can clutter your system, leading to a slow shutdown. Press Windows plus S keys and search for Disk Cleanup. Select the drive you want to clean up, usually the C drive, and click OK. Check the boxes for the types of files you want to remove, for example, recycle bin, temporary file, and then click OK. And don't forget your background processes. Unnecessary or unresponsive processes can slow down the shutdown. You can use the Task Manager to monitor and end the process that are not needed. To do that, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Go through the list of running processes and end any unnecessary or unresponsive processes by selecting them and clicking End Task in the bottom right of the window. Now let's try disabling Fast Startup. Press Windows plus S and search for Power and Sleep settings. In the right side of the Power and Sleep window, click the Additional Power settings. In the Power options, locate Choose what the power buttons do on the left side and click on it. Then click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck Turn on Fast Startup and click Save Changes. Here's a less common cause of slow shutdown: software conflicts. If you had installed a software recently, try uninstalling it. Here's how to do it. Press Windows plus S and search for Apps and Features. Locate the software that you recently installed. Select the software and click Uninstall. Remember that each computer system is unique, so the steps that work for one system might not work for another. Consider seeking assistance from a knowledgeable friend or a professional computer technician. That's it! We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.